I recently purchased the durable sanding block 6 PCS sanding sponges set, and I must say, I am thoroughly impressed with its performance. As someone who frequently works with drywall, wood, metal, and various other materials, I needed a sanding tool that could handle different grit levels and provide consistent results. This sanding sponge set has exceeded my expectations in every way. First and foremost, the durability of these sanding blocks is outstanding. I have used them extensively, and they have shown no signs of wear and tear. The high-quality construction ensures that they can withstand rigorous sanding without losing their shape or effectiveness. This is particularly important when working on rough surfaces or tackling demanding projects. The set includes sanding blocks in 3 different grit levels: 60, 120, and 220. This variety allows me to choose the appropriate level of coarseness depending on the material and the desired finish. Whether I need to remove heavy layers of paint or achieve a smooth, polished surface, these sanding blocks deliver consistent results every time. One of the standout features of this set is the ability to use the sanding blocks both dry and wet. This versatility is a game changer, especially when working on projects that require wet sanding, such as auto bodywork or crafts involving water-based paints. The blocks maintain their integrity even when used with water, and they are easily washable and reusable, making them a cost-effective choice in the long run. The ergonomic design of these sanding blocks deserves a special mention. They fit comfortably in my hand, allowing for extended periods of sanding without causing fatigue or discomfort. The sponge-like texture provides a good grip and ensures that the sanding block stays in place during use. This level of control is crucial for achieving precise and even sanding results. In conclusion, the durable sanding block 6 PCS sanding sponges set is an excellent investment for anyone involved in painting, crafts, auto bodywork, or general sanding tasks. The durability, versatility, and ergonomic design make these sanding blocks a standout choice. With 3 different grit levels and the ability to use them wet or dry, they offer a comprehensive solution for all your sanding needs. I highly recommend this set to anyone looking for reliable and high-performing sanding tools.